Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to sort by number in Google Sheets. This is an incredibly useful feature when you're working with data and need to organize numerical information in a clear, logical order. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to workspace.google.com and log in to your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your Google Workspace. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Workspace dashboard where you can see all your files and documents. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to sort the data by numbers. This will open up your Google Sheet in a new window displaying all your current data. Take a moment to identify which column contains the numerical data you want to sort, as this will be important for the next steps. Now comes the main action. You need to select all the data that you want to include in your sort, click and drag to highlight the entire data range, or you can click on the top left corner of your data table to select everything at once. It's important to select all related columns together so that your rows stay intact when sorting, keeping all the information in each row connected properly. With your data selected, look at the top toolbar and click on the filter icon. This icon typically looks like a funnel and is easy to spot among the other toolbar options. Once you click it, you'll notice that a small filter icon appears beside each column header. This is Google Sheets' way of telling you that filters are now active on your data. Next, locate the column that contains the numbers you want to sort and click on the filter icon that appears beside that specific column header. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, you can choose either Sort A to Z or Sort Z to A. The Sort A to Z option will arrange your numbers in ascending order, meaning from smallest to largest. The Sort Z to A option does the opposite, arranging your numbers in descending order from largest to smallest. Select whichever sorting method best suits your needs. And there you have it. Your numerical data is now sorted exactly how you need it, making your spreadsheet much more organized and easier to analyze. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.